Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of Photoshop to explore an exciting tutorial on creating a dual light effect. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's get started. Click on this icon and select solid color. Pick the color you want. Now press OK. Click here to open blending mode and select color. Make it duplicate. Open color picker to double click here. Pick different color you want. Now press OK. Select this. Click here to open foreground color. Pick black color and press OK. Now go to this icon and select brush tool. Open brush preset to click here and select soft round brush. From here you can resize the brush. Now draw the brush like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates.